Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this stubborn error on your Resident Evil 9. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser and I want you to look for this Microsoft C++ 2022. Just make sure to select or find the official version. So I will look it up over here, this one or just this would do. It will show all verified links through Microsoft. So you will need the 64 and 86 version. So go ahead, open up and download these two. Just go ahead, it might take like a few minutes. And once you're done, I want you to go open up your Steam client. Okay. Here, go to the library section. Let's just say, for example, this is Resident Evil 9. You can click over here on the settings icon or manage, go to properties, and here launch options. Go ahead, type dash DX11. Then you can now close this. Click here, Steam, go to settings, downloads, scroll down. Here, clear download cache. It says clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting applications. So proceed, click on clear cache, close this once you're done. Now I want you to do one simple step, right click, go to properties. This time install files and click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for this to complete. It will reacquire any missing files that is currently causing the random crashes for any of your games, including Resident Evil 9. So once done, close this up. You might restart your PC just to make sure. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly. This method works for most of the users out there. So go ahead, follow all of these steps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.